What is up, and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the Resurrected Diesel channel. Might have to think of a new name here because we're not doing truck stuff anymore. It is like Tuesday at the shop. We got some trucks running tests outside. I got some downtime, but my girlfriend got me probably one of the best birthday gifts ever. I'm super stoked on it, and that's what we're gonna be installing today. So I'm just gonna go over it. They're super simple. I don't think you guys need a walkthrough, but I'm super excited for it. It is for the Camaro, not for the truck. She did give me some stuff for the truck too, but it is rear window and side window louvers. Now, I know they're not for everyone. Not everyone loves them. I guess all the same, but I love them. These are affordable ones. I wouldn't say they're not carbon fiber or anything crazy. They just have some adhesive tape. So they said could be, they said that's the only downfall is a little bit of, sometimes the adhesive peels off. But basically you peel it off, line it, well I'd line it up first, put some tape on it or something, and then, you know, peel it off and stick it on the windshield. And then we have the two side ones here, which they came with a roll of tape. I want to say she only paid like 200 and something bucks for the whole kit. It's got two rolls down there, the two side louvers that like clip in to the car and everything. So yeah, I will be time-lapsing installing them. It is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll get them put on and see what we can do. It's a whole look. I think we need a spoiler and a rear diffuser. I think this thing will be sick. We're gonna take it to work today so I can tell you how it drives with them and how we see out of them. But yeah, let's get on the roll. We're just waiting for everyone to get ready. I think Eric's taking the Corvette today. It is Friday, so I need to get them lights changed. But we will get everything ready and we will head over to work and see how it does. I'll tell you guys on the way. Alright guys, I'm gonna try something a little bit different here. I don't know how much battery life I have, but I was going through some stuff and I found my old head mount here. So what better way to show you how the car drives with louvers than to see it from my perspective. So those you can't see anything through. Looking through the back, I don't know if you can really see or not. It looks fine though to me. Other than that though, I really have no complaints about it at all. It's pretty fun. But let's it's Saturday morning, it's cold. Let's go to work, I guess. Tell you what, I've been having a lot of fun in this car. I got some cool things on the way for it that some people have reached out to give to me and all that stuff. Pretty excited for. It needs tires and stuff like I was talking about in the last video. But yeah, there's there's a lot I want to do to it, and hopefully get it done sooner than later. I got a couple trucks I'm gonna sell over the shop. If anyone's interested in the truck market, let me know in the comments, and I will I'll make a video on what we're doing. So it's just crazy how good these cars pull compared to like a truck or something. It's pretty incredible. So just because of how light they are, and these cars are not light by any means, they're still like 4,000 pounds with me in it, but we'll let it warm up a little bit before we give it a rip. I did just change the serpentine belt and the pulley on it because it was squeaking a little bit and it looked pretty original. But yeah, I'm gonna go get me some Dunkin'. So if you guys missed the last video, this is an LS3 Camaro SS. Oh, and we got a Mustang coming in hot. Old guy driving like a dick. Anyway, this is a LS3 Camaro SS with the 6-speed manual. It's a fun car. Surprised me. No engine work or anything done yet, but that's probably coming next once we get the tire and suspension stuff figured out. So not saying we ever would, but if there's any place to go a little bit fast with maybe a little less chance of getting stopped, it's this bridge. Down in Mexico, of course, but they sit on it pretty heavy, so it's not even really that safe anymore. But yeah, I'll show you because we're almost at the shop. I wish we had some tunnels here, but I don't think tunnels exist in Florida. The best I got is like a wall. I even have a cop car just sitting there with no one in it, just because of that. So it's about as far as we get. Nice little town. I don't think I've even really ever talked about it since we moved here, but man, I love it. Move has definitely been one of the better things that we've done as a business. You know, financially it was a struggle, but business-wise and smart-wise, I guess, brain-wise, intelligence, I don't know, it was a way better move. So things have been way better. Been a lot more stressful too because we have a lot more work, but we're learning to adapt. Eventually might need to hire some more guys, maybe get a new shop, but we're getting there day by day. Let's see if I can make this light. I will say, there's a nice thing about a car is you can take a turn a little bit faster than you can in a diesel truck. So there's someone got some Stancy Boy wheels. shit just to do an illegal U-turn. You gotta love it. Well guys, I think that's gonna complete this video. I hope you enjoyed it, got to drive along in the car for a little bit. If you did, if you like this new content, drop a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, that way we can do some more. I'm gonna go down here and we got the detail guys at the shop cleaning stuff up, so I'm gonna go check on and see how they're doing, and I'll get up with you guys later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button either. Later.